What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courage and I have an F80 M3. So if you're, you know what I'm saying, if you're new here and you want to follow the journey, follow the build, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, follow my Instagram. But in today's video, I'm about to just do like a quick little wash, you know what I'm saying? Quick little walk around, talk about the car. I feel like I haven't really talked about it that much. I'm about to go right now to go get a little wash. And then I have a little, nothing crazy, just a little mod. Yesterday, I installed a little mod that I got from this company. I'm not sponsored, but you know what I'm saying? I got this little quick release plate right here. Shit fire. Damn, the exposure is high. Hold on. But yeah, I got this little plate. Don't mind my plate. Got this little quick release plate from Carbon X. If y'all familiar with that. Right now, I'm about to just go to the car wash real quick, and I'm about to get a little wash. Make sure I get the baby girl clean, because look at the brake dust, bro. The brake dust on this is crazy, bro. Look at that. Compared to the rear, bro, it's crazy. Look at this. Got them HREs. I need to get new lug nuts. These are rusty. And I need to get a new locking one because you know what I'm saying, I'm not trying to come out here and this shit is on blocks. I gotta get some new lug nuts and get these HREs cleaned. What the hell is going on here? Do I gotta get a new fender liner too? Damn. Just eating it up. Let's see what this stock exhaust cold start talking about. Damn, why is it so dark? Let's see. Okay. Not too crazy. Okay, not too bad. I cannot wait till I get an exhaust, bro. This shit's gonna be insane. This is gonna sound loud. I feel like that's one of the last things I want to get. Not like the last thing I want to get, but it's one of the things I want to wait, because if I get an exhaust, I'm gonna want to get tuned, and the crank up is not done yet. I want to make sure I get the crank up done first. Those are known to go bad. I want to get the crank up done, and I think a diff bushing. I think I've seen some people like, diff bushing. Then the mods are gonna start coming in like rapid. Yeah, that's the plan for now. So just stay tuned. It's gonna be. I'm gonna run it up soon. Don't worry, I'm gonna run it up soon. But yeah. Also, one more thing before I go, I got this DJI Action 5 Pro that I'm gonna be using as GoPro. Not a GoPro, like I'm gonna put it as a POV drive. I'm gonna put some clips of the POV drive in this video, and I'm gonna see how it looks. I don't want to just have it sitting around, bro. I'm just trying to post a lot of content. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little POV drive, put it into the video, see if I like it, see if it goes good with YouTube, and then might do some POV drive content. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna put it in the video and test it out and see how it goes. So yeah, let me know in the comments too if the quality is good. I've seen a lot of these, and actually I've seen a video on TikTok, and that's the reason why I got it. Should be pretty good. So, we're gonna see. I'm gonna put it in the video, and then we're gonna see how that looks. Hopefully it comes on fire. So stay tuned for that too. Alright. Need gas. We need gas.
Yo, that shit a bullet, bro.
Thank you.
Whenever you did to that shit smooth, bro.
It's stock.
Yo, look.
I just got it like a month ago.
Yo, that shit smooth as hell, nigga. You don't hear no pots on that shit, go. That shit nice, bro.
Thank you.
Up, man. You stop for where you bought it from.
No, it's stock. That ass.
That shit nice, bro.
sound like this when it's stock, imagine when I get an exhaust. It's just gonna sound crazy. Especially when the front mount intakes come, bro. You're gonna hear. See who this is. Who that? Homeboy looking at me too. He looking at me. He want the smoke from the M3. Hold on now. Holy burbles. Them burbles sound crazy. Very, very, very crazy. Alright, so I just made it to the car wash. You know what I'm saying? She's mad dirty. Look at it, even the side skirt, man. It's mad dirty. I'm about to get it clean. Haven't washed it in like about a week or so. I should get me right here. Mommy's money. Sugar mommy. You know what I'm saying? Got baby Aspen. Hello. Say hello to the vlog.
Want to do some like cinematic?
Alright, we're gonna cue a cinematic in 3, 2, 1. Simple as that. Now it's all clean. Make sure y'all keep your car clean, man. Because it's all about the car. You know what I'm saying? The car is the fit. The car is the fit, chat. I gotta scrub these wheels.
Yeah.
I gotta scrub these wheels.
Yeah. Too dirty?
These wheels gotta get scrubby double up.
Let me see your eyes. Damn! Look at them eyes.
Okay, now about that mod I was talking about earlier. I got these door lights that's supposed to replace the OEM door lights when you open the door. I just put 2 in right now. This is how they look so far. It says M Performance. I did these 2 sides right here. I don't want to show all that process. I did these 2 sides, and for like example, go around here. See, like it replaced the OEM lights that just when you open the door, all you see is just a light. It replaces it into the M Performance logo. So you know, cool little mods. I got this from Amazon, nothing too crazy. You know, I thought it was a little cool little mod. See, you open the door. Boom, it says M Performance instead of the boring just light. Alright, so later, when it gets a little darker, I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the nighttime. It looks way better and it's much brighter than what it is like right now when I open the door. Just boom. It's like way brighter at night. I mean, it's around like 7 o'clock right now, so it's not like it's about to be sunset. So it's not crazy bright. But you can still see it though. Even when it's like hot out, you can still see it. So I think it's a cool little mod, you know, that you could do to your car, make it look like way newer than it is. I mean, I have a 2018 M3 competition, so I don't know how much newer you can get. I don't got a G80 because I don't got G80 money. Yeah, I'm gonna still insert the clip of when it gets dark. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you all enjoy. Peace. I bet I finally made it back home. Now it's like nighttime now, so I can show y'all what the light I was talking about. Okay, so on this side, as you can see, this is with just the stock door lights from BMW, no badge, no nothing. And boom, and go around here. Go around my other side. I didn't install the other ones because I wanted to show the comparison. So this one, it says M Performance. Also I did it on this side too. The comparison.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.